There's always been belief in the camp. The players, we all look around ourselves now. We've got a good squad. Staff have been superb. And we've got a great little unit there now. So hopefully we should start creeping up the table and hopefully do well. It's only half done at the moment. We've done fantastic to get there. But then again, there's still a lot of games to come. So hopefully, if we keep everything the same, we should be able to climb up. I'm saying we all know what Belgium are about. Saying a fantastic team. We know we're going to come up to a good shift. So just look in the changing room, we've got some fantastic ability in there. The boys are buzzing whenever we come meet up with Wales. Staff are always fantastic. So I think this is our time. Obviously our home games, even our away games, we're still getting quite a lot of people travelling. It's fantastic. It's also an achievement to ourselves as well for doing so well on the pitch. Like you're saying, it's a fantastic game for every single player out there. It's Belgium, one of the best teams in the world. Like saying, you're coming up against some of the best players in the world, so like saying, it's a great achievement, and obviously you want to show yourself no matter what team you come up against, especially in our group. There's going to be stages where you'll have to park the bus in front of the goal and then try and get teams on a counter or something, but that night out in Belgium, like saying, they played very, very good football, and it was difficult, and sometimes we had to just defend for our lives, and we did that. But we're not just a team that will do it all the time. Like saying, we've got fantastic ability going forward. So also they've got a lot of height, so that's a different issue as well that we have to deal with. So yeah, like saying, every game's different, but we're definitely not a team that will just sit back and defend. We'll push on.